one of my fans on my all-in-one water cooling system, my Lian all-in-one water cooler system, is making a horrible squeaking noise, and it's very annoying. Have a listen. You see what I mean? That is very annoying. So I contacted the seller of my all-in-one water cooling system, which is Overclockers UK, and they suggested, because I only want the fan changed, I don't want the whole kit changed, they suggested I'll contact Lian and ask them if they can send me a replacement fan, because Overclockers can't send me a replacement, they can only send me the whole lot back, or replacement. So I'd have to send mine back, and then they check it out and say, oh yeah, it is faulty, here is a new one. But I just wanted the fan change, it's a lot simpler. Plus I didn't want to take the water cooling system out and have my PC dead for a little while, although I could put in another water cooling system because I've got a spare one somewhere. And what I thought I would do is take the 3 fans off and put 3 different brand fans on for a temporary measure, just until they send me a replacement. And hopefully, once I get the replacement, I can take them fans off and fit the new fan on with the other fans, or the original fans, if that makes sense. Yeah? So that's what I'm going to do right now. Right, so it's been a couple of weeks now, and no, I've still got the same shirt on. Yeah, it does get cycled, believe me, it does get cycled. And lo and behold, the new fans turned up. Now, it come by FedEx, and I do believe it come from America. So it did take quite a while for it to turn up, which I was quite surprised about. But they sent me a replacement fan. Ta-da! Yeah, Lian. Yep, baby. Got quite a bit of weight to it, actually. Now, hang on a sec. Now here are the original 3 fans, and you might be thinking, well, do you know which one is Yorkie? Yes I do, it's this one. This is the one that's on the bottom, that's making all that horrible noise. Because the connection, which is up this end, is at the top. So I know it's not that one. It's got to be that one. Now I did have a look thinking, how the hell am I going to replace this, or replace this and put this on? But I've had a quick look the other day just to see how easy or how hard it was to do, and yeah, it's quite easy. You have it round that way. Let me get my tools and we'll have a go. My new toolkit. I have done a video on this actually, and I did actually buy this myself. It wasn't sent to me, I bought it myself, and I'm very pleased with it. I think we want that one. Let's try. didn't work straight away. The fan worked, but I had no RGB. And I think what happened is I must have damaged the cable somehow and pinched it or whatever, and that stopped it working. So what I've done, I swapped that cable out and put another one in, and voila, she's working. So thank you for that, Leon Lee. I didn't need a replacement for everything. I just needed that one fan. And it did take quite a bit of time for it to turn up, which is a little bit frustrating, especially if you've got only the one PC. Luckily, I've got a few PCs, so I've got at least 2 backup PCs in case that one goes down permanently for a long period of time. But luckily, it was only one fan. I had spare fans, swapped them over to keep it running, and now it's all running back to normal. So thank you, Leon Lee. Thank you, overclockers.co.uk, for recommending that I contacted them. I didn't really want to send a whole lot back, as you would imagine, because that's more of an inconvenience than anything else, because you've got to do all the wiring again and things like that. And that was the easiest option, change the fan. And it was a good experience for me, because I've never changed an individual fan on an actual set or set of Leon Lees. And it wasn't just straightforward, although you would have thought so. There's a little bit of fiddliness going on in there. But we got there in the end, so I'm happy. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more videos like this, maybe doing PC builds or PC repairs. Let us know in the comments if that's the sort of thing you like. And I will try and do some, or try and do some more PC builds and maybe even some PC repairs, because there is another PC here, a big one. A very big one actually, that does need some repairing, and I'm thinking about doing a video on that anyway. So if that's something you're interested in, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell for notifications, and give me the thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching. Ching ching, yeah baby.